Alright, so we're going to look at the solar system simulator now. It's going to take you a little bit of thinking and playing with this one, but it's excellent for students who are very interested in the solar system and if you're trying to teach different aspects of planets. So if we look at this, we can have target dates. So we're going to pick, so maybe we want to look at, let's look at the Earth from Jupiter. Why not? And we don't want to see spacecraft or orbits. I'll give you some of those and then we'll just run the simulator. So let's see what this shows us. Okay. So apparently right now it looks like we have quite a few clouds. You can see the ice caps. So that's kind of cool. We'll go back and let's see what the Earth looks like from Mars. And you can actually have your students make some predictions of, well, based on where these are in relation to one another, which one is going to look like it's closer, which one's going to be farther, you know, some distance ideas. And in this one, you can actually see how far away the Earth is from Mars. So 216, that's 0.946 million kilometers. So let's go back and see what the other one was. I think it automatically gives me from Saturn. Oh, so this is Saturn. I was looking at the wrong thing. My apologies. But you can play through. You can do different sizes, 45 degrees. You can look at a larger percentage of the screen. So let's go up to 50%. If I look at the orbits, I don't really want to see Saturn though. Let's do Mercury from the Earth. Yeah, didn't see a lot, but that one line is showing you an orbit. So let's go back and let's look at the moon from the sun. Just a general, that doesn't look very exciting. Let's look at orbits. Let's look at Earth from the sun. Let's do extra bright. And let's throw in some spacecrafts. Okay, so we have all of these different orbits of things going around. The smaller you make this, the easier it will be to see everything. Now, you have to actually put it in every single time what it is that you want to see, but it should be really cool for some of your students to play with. You can actually use it to integrate math in terms of how far away is the Earth from different planets. There's a lot of ways of playing with this one. So I think you could, in actuality, do a lot of math at the upper level. You could, there's the obvious science connection to this. So the next one we're going to look at is the Federal Crowdsourcing site, which is citizen science again. And my suggestion, go to the resource library. And goes through, talks to you about what, mentions citizen science a lot. So examples of projects, Galaxy Zoo, that's actually funded through Zooniverse, I believe. And there's case studies, lots of different things that your students can look at depending on what they're interested in. This is more of the storehouse for a lot of those other approaches that that you've kind of seen on this. So just start playing, exploring it. I haven't spent as much time in this one just because I go into other parts of it, but case studies. So there's a lot of reading. So reading in the content area would probably be a really good thing. And then earthquake mapping, you could relate that back to a lot of the science that's been happening because there have been quite a few earthquakes in different areas. So that's these two.